English for Beginners number 26.
أهلا بك في هذا الفيديو أين سنرى المعاني المختلفة للكلمات
Have, has.
وسنوظفها في جمل مختلفة لتتعود على فهمها وفقا للسياق. المعنى الأول هو لدى أو عند أحدهم. بهذا المعنى يمكن استعمال هذه الكلمات أولاً للتعبير عن الملكية أو نسب شيء ما لشيء آخر. لنرى أمثلة.
I have a key. I have a key. We have fears. We have fears. She has a house. She has a house. The door has 3 locks. The door has 3 locks.
ثانياً للتعبير عن العلاقات التي تربطنا بالآخرين. لنرى أمثلة.
I have a wife and 3 children. I have a wife and 3 children. We have 24 cousins. We have 24 cousins. Janet has 3 friends. Janet has 3 friends. Pedro has 8 grandchildren. Pedro has 8 grandchildren.
ثالثاً نستعمل هذه الكلمات بهذا المعنى لذكر خصائص شخص أو شيء ما عند وصفه.
I have shiny hair. I have shiny hair. Brad Pitt has long hair in this picture. Brad Pitt has long hair in this picture. The living room has a nice fireplace. The living room has a nice fireplace. These cars have very comfortable seats. These cars have very comfortable seats.
رابعاً نستعملها كذلك للتحدث عن الصحة والمرض.
You have a healthy heart. You have a healthy heart. My dad has arthritis. My dad has arthritis. George has nausea. George has nausea. Sometimes I have nightmares. Sometimes I have nightmares.
خامساً نستعمل هذه الكلمات بهذا المعنى كذلك للتحدث عن شيء لدينا لنفعله.
I have the children to get from school at 3. I have the children to get from school at 3. She has the invitations to send this week. She has the invitations to send this week. Jane has a birthday to organize. Jane has a birthday to organize. They have their mother to take care of. They have their mother to take care of.
سادساً نستعملها كذلك بهذا المعنى للتحدث عن توفر شيء ما كبضاعة، معدات، مؤونة إلى غير ذلك. لنرى أمثلة.
Sorry, we have only 2 pairs left in the same color. Sorry, we have only 2 pairs left in the same color. We have 40 boxes here and 200 in the warehouse. We have 40 boxes here and 200 in the warehouse. She has enough insulin for 2 weeks. She has enough insulin for 2 weeks. We still have these blankets in stock. We still have these blankets in stock.
المعنى الثاني للكلمات have, has هو تناول شيء ما للأكل أو الشرب. لنرى أمثلة.
I always have breakfast with my family. I always have breakfast with my family. I usually have a salad for lunch. I usually have a salad for lunch. Julia has a fizzy drink after each meal. Julia has a fizzy drink after each meal. My dog has 2 meals a day. My dog has 2 meals a day.
أما المعنى الثالث لهذه الكلمات فهو فعل أو القيام بشيء ما.
He has a shower every morning. He has a shower every morning. The children have a bath every evening. The children have a bath every evening. They have a trip to the seaside every month. They have a trip to the seaside every month. My wife and I often have a walk on Saturdays. My wife and I often have a walk on Saturdays. And that's the end of the video, everyone. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. And until next time, bye. إلى اللقاء.
إلى اللقاء.